these little plats. I'm gonna do my little lip combo. I'm going now. I'm just putting everything in my bag.
Growing like so much.
So I went so excitedly to go to that new mochi store, and they were closed because it's like Australia Day today. I thought they were gonna be open, and I was like making my boyfriend walk all over Chinatown, just trying to find it. And then we get to the store, and it's closed. And it's open tomorrow, but I have work tomorrow, so I can't go. So I'm not gonna be able to go like till next week. I'm so upset because I really love that mochi brand. I'm going for a run. I'm so tired. I haven't run in like so long. It's literally like killing me. Oh my god. My boyfriend's like all the way up there. Wishy-washy machine. Bought this new cat litter for our cats. I am so tired. I just had the busiest day ever at work. I work in the evenings, but it was so busy. I went to hospitality. It was so freaking busy. This is ridiculous. They're literally making it sound like I don't feed them at all. I feed them. I feed you guys. My eyelash is perfect. Ta-da! I also got a free gift card that you can use for all Apple products and apps and everything like that. This is what, oh my god. This is a laptop that my boyfriend's getting. I literally just purchased this. Whoa. Today's a wind down day. I have a dinner to go tonight again. I threw up last night because I think I just had too much food. Thank you.
Look at Bugatti.
They'll make it pretty fast. You can just go on fiber. And yeah, SMS app. I don't really do that. Another app that sections app, but again, you don't really need to report it. In fact,
It's a really interesting color. Yeah, I have the salt, the garlic, and the butter. I don't have like parsley or anything, so we're just gonna work with what we've got. Oh my god, it's gonna thunderstorm today, guys. Call me chef or whatever.